Hello everyone! Today we celebrate one of the greatest forces in the world, ang mga nanay. Hindi lang sila ang ilaw ng tahanan, sila rin ang foundation, ang structure, at minsan pati electric bill. But seriously, we're here to honor mothers not just emotionally, but legally and spiritually too. Let's begin. Being a mother is more than just a role. It's a life mission. Pinapahalaga nito ng lipunan, ng batas, at syempre ng puso nating lahat. Kaya ngayong Mother's Day, let's go deeper than flowers and food. Let's talk about the real power of motherhood. Sabi sa Bible, ang lalaki ginawa sa alabok, pero ang babae ginawa mula sa isang buhay na nilalang ang lalaki mismo. So kung tutuusin, mas high quality ang materyales ni mama kaysa kay papa. Kaya siguro si nanay, kayang-kayang maglaba, magluto, mag-alaga, mag-budget, lahat yan sabay-sabay at may smile pa. The law knows what's up. Sabi ng 1987 Constitution, Article 2, Section 14, the state recognizes the role of the women in nation building. At meron pa tayong Republic Act number 11210 o ang Expanded Maternity Leave Law, 105 days na paid leave para sa mga working moms. Bakit? Kasi the early years of a child's life, kayang-kaya yan ni mama. Let's talk about the courts. Sa kasong Briones versus Miguel, sinabi ng Korte Suprema, children under 7 years old dapat kay nanay yan unless there's a very strong reason not to. At sa kasong Republic versus Molina, the court said na ang pagiging emotionally matured at responsable ay mahalaga, lalo na sa pagiging magulang. At sino pa ang poster mom ng maturity at responsibility? Of course, si mama. Equality, sa totoo lang ngayong Mother's Day, aminin na natin, superior ang mga nanay. We say behind every successful man is a woman. Pero actually, behind every successful child, employee, and even a lawyer, is a multitasking nanay na nag-sacrifice ng sobra-sobra. Kaya minsan, joke lang pero totoo, nanay for president na tayo. At syempre gusto ko pong bigyan ng personal na pagbati ang aking mahal na ina. To all mothers, and especially to my mom, Merly Mayor Sigilon, maraming salamat sa iyong lakas, pag-aaruga, at walang sawang sakripisyo. Ikaw ang puso ng aming buhay at dahilan kung bakit kami matatag. Mama Merly, ang iyong pagmamahal at gabay ang bumuo sa kung sino ako ngayon. Forever akong proud na anak mo. Happy Mother's Day, you are truly one of a kind. Kaya ngayong araw na ito, habang ang iba ay nagbibigay ng cards at chocolates, tayo naman, bibigyan natin ng respeto na karapat-dapat sa lahat ng ina. Let's honor them with laws that protect them, words that uplift them, and lives that reflect their greatness. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng ina, lalo na sa mga nanay na laging nandyan. Kahit hindi nakikita, pero ramdam na ramdam. Again, this is JM, and remember, I will always be your law companion.